Hi friends, this is Emily Francis. I wanted to bring you a quick tip for those of you who are having trouble understanding all the information that your teacher has in your Canvas courses. So if you are an English language learner, this tip is going to be great for you. So go to Concord High School to access your Canvas courses. Click on Canvas. You're going to go to your dashboard, and as you open the class that you want, right now I'm going to open my ESL class, of course. And what I wanted to show you is as soon as you open your Canvas courses, you're going to see all of your teacher's information. And of course, all of the teacher's information is in English. And if all this information seems overwhelming to you and you want to read it up in your home language, this is a good tip. You will click on Pages. In order for you to access this tool, you have to click on Pages. So right here on your left side, click on Pages. And all of your teacher's pages are going to show up. And what I want to show you is this button at the top corner that says Immerse Reader. It has like an open book with a little speaker icon. You're going to click on that, and this comes up when you click on Immerse Reader. It's the same page, but just a different format. When you click on this little open book, it says Reading Preferences. When you click on that, it will give you a lot of options for you to play around with the text. But this right here is the one I want you to focus on, the Translate. When you click on the drop-down arrow, you see all of the languages available for you to translate that page. I will click on Arabic just to see what it looks like right now, and I'm going to make sure that my entire document is showing. So if you notice right here, I have by word, by document, and I can close it, and I can begin reading my information. I'm sure this will be helpful for you. And if you need more help accessing this information, please reach out to me or to any of you teachers, and we are here to support you. I hope you're having a great year so far.